So in this last video, I will be discussing impulse momentum and the relationship that it has with decreasing injury risk. So in this picture, you will see someone playing field hockey, and you'll notice that they are wearing shin guards. Shin guards are there for obvious reasons to decrease force and injuries to the shin when you're being hit with a ball, because it is quite painful. So the shin guards help provide a decrease of the force of the ball when it's being hit to the shins. And since the force is being decreased, that means that the momentum is also decreased. And it also helps reduce the impact of the ball when it is being hit to the shins. And since all that is being decreased, it will also help increase the amount of time of the force when it's being hit to the shin.